So hello all my friends, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Welcome with another informative video. Today in this particular video, I will discuss about a very famous institute which is University Institute of Technology Burdwan. You can also say UIT Burdwan. This particular institute is located in Burdwan district in the main city of Burdwan. Okay, so if you are a JEE aspirant and if you are a WBJEE aspirant, then you are in the right place. You have to know about this institute very clearly because this institute is under WBJEE. Okay, and you can also get admission in this institute by through JEE main. So if you are WBJEE and JEE aspirant, then you are in the right. Then you have to know about this institute. Okay, so today in this particular video I will discuss about the placement, campus, what kind of facility you will get from this particular institute, what is the library, what is the hostel, what is the room condition, everything, what is the cutoff in this institute. Okay, in the previous year and also in 2020-21. Okay, I will discuss about these things very in detail. So please see this video. After seeing this video you will be able to know a lot of things. Okay, and you will get lot of knowledge regarding this particular institute. Okay, so see this video up to end, and if you did not subscribe my channel yet, then please do subscribe, because in this channel you will get lot of videos regarding this kind of things, lot of scientific videos, lot of videos regarding WBJEE and JEE main. Okay, so please see this video. And this you can clearly see here, University Institute of Technology Burdwan. It means UIT Burdwan. Today I am going to discuss about this particular institute. If you want to know about more institute, about more college, then please comment me in the comment section. And if you want to know another institute like Heritage, Jadavpur, Narula, IEM, Kochbiar, Purulia, Jalpaiguri, Kolani, anything. If you have any kind of query, if you want to know about this institute, then please comment me. Okay, please comment me. Now let me discuss about this particular institute. And here you can clearly see this is the picture of this institute. Okay, and the logo. Okay, now let me discuss. So at first you can see some interesting facts about this institute. At first I will discuss about some interesting facts. After knowing this fact, you will differentiate the institute from other institute, because this fact is very much important. Okay, these facts makes this institute different from other institute. Okay, so let me discuss about this some facts. So first, this is a self-financed government university. So yes, all my friends, this is a government university. This is not a private, not a semi-government. This is a government university and self-finance. You can see the term here, self-finance. If you do not aware about the self-finance term, now let me tell you. Self-finance means you will get all the hostel facility, library facility, course facility, all the things, playground facility, everything from the university fund. Okay, not government fund. Not take any kind of fund from the government. This university will provide you all the facility from their own fund. That's why this is self-finance. Okay, I hope you understand about the self-finance. Self-finance means this institute will provide you all the facility from their own fund, not government. Okay, like all the government college, otherwise university, they will provide you all the facility from the government fund, but this particular institute will provide you all the facility from their own fund. That's why this is self-finance government university. Okay, now let me discuss about the second. The university, otherwise you can say also college, will provide you BE, not B Tech. Okay, so B means Bachelor of Engineering and B Tech means Bachelor of Technology. Okay, so you know Jadavpur University, BITS Pilani, these two kind of famous university will also provide you BE. Same like as this university will also provide you BE. It means Bachelor of Engineering. Okay, Now let me discuss about the third one. Yes, this is an autonomous college. So yes, all my friends, if you are interested in autonomous college, then you are in the right place. This is an autonomous college. Okay, lot of students are interested in autonomous college. So if you are interested in autonomous college, then you are in the right place. Okay, so autonomous college. Now you can see this university is located on the main city of Burdwan. This is a very interesting things. Okay, so let me discuss. A lot of students think that like a particular institute which is far away from Kolkata. Okay, so they think that there is not very good placement. Okay, and if they want to buy any kind of science component, then they have to go in Kolkata to buy this kind of component. This is true that if your college is far away from your town, otherwise main city, then then you have to you have lot of problem like this kind of problem, like component problem and a lot of problems. Okay, food problem, lot of problem you will face. Okay, but you can see this university is located on the main city of Burdwan. Okay, in the Burdwan district, the main city is Burdwan, and this university is located in the main city of Burdwan. It means this is located in city, not as like as Kolkata, but this is located in city. That's why you will get maximum facility as like as Kolkata. You can get the science component from this main city, from this city easily. So that's why you do not have to face such kind of problem. Okay, like science component and many things. Okay, so this is also interesting facts. This is also interesting things. Okay, now let me discuss. This institute is directly linked with Burdwan University. So yes, all my friends, this is only institute, this is only government college which is directly linked with Burdwan University. Okay, so that's why you can also call this is as a university. Okay, so this is a public government university. Now this is the only government college under Burdwan University. I already discussed about these things. This is the only government college which is under the Burdwan University. Okay, only government college. Now you can see AICT and UGC approved All India University rank 1 to 4. Okay, this is AICT approved and UGC approved also, so you have not any kind of concern about these things. All India University rank 1 to 4. Okay, so these all are the interesting facts about this particular institute. So now let me discuss, and you can see here this is the institute. You can see this is the institute. Now let me show you a quick review of this particular institute. Okay, so let me show you the campus. What is the campus of this particular institute? So let's see. I hope you enjoyed this video. Okay, the campusing video. Now let me show you. This college has total 6 branch. Okay, this college will provide you total 6 branch. The first one is applied electronics and instrumentation, otherwise you can say electronics and instrumentation engineering. Second one, civil engineering, computer science and engineering, electrical engineering, electronics and communication engineering, and ultimately information technology. These are the 6 branches which will provide you by this institute. Okay, now let me discuss about 2 important things: fee structure for BE course, placement last 4 years. These 2 kind of things is very important here, and most of the students want to know about these 2 kind of things. Okay, so I will discuss about these things, so please see this up to end. Now you can see total 4-year fee 2,64,000. You can see first year fee 72,000, first semester first year including first semester 39,100, second semester 32,000. Okay, so lot of students are thinking that the fee structure is so high. Okay, as this is a government college, why the fee structure is so high? Okay, so let me tell you about these things. You know, this I already said, this is a university. This is a public government university. This is not a college. Okay, so that's why the fee structure is high. This is number one. You can see this is 2,64,000. As like as MACAUT. Okay, MACAUT is also a university. The fee structure of MACAUT is say as like as this institute. So as this is a university, that's why the fee structure is little bit high. Okay, because this is not a college, you will get lot of facility from the university. Okay, as this is the university, that's why the fee structure is high. Okay, so per semester fee 32,000. You have to pay 32,000 per semester. Okay, total 2,64,000, per semester 32,000, and first semester 39,100. Okay, and hostel you can see 4 boys hostel, 1 girls hostel. Hostel fee per semester 5,400 rupee only. Food extra, you have to pay 40 rupee per day food. Okay, so basically this is the hostel and this is the fee structure for this particular institute. Okay, the hostel quality is good, not bad. Hostel quality is also good, like every government college university, hostel quality is good, not bad. Now let me discuss about the placement. Overall placement every year 75 to 80% placement. Okay, now placement previous 4 years you can see 2017 65%, 2018 70%, 2019 75%, and 2020 89%. You can see the red mark. Why red mark? Because you can see the what is the increasing rate of the placement. Okay, you can see 2019 75%, but 2020 89% means very impressive. Okay, if I compare to Jadavpur, Kalyani, otherwise Jalpaiguri, the placement is very good. Jalpaiguri placement is 80%, Kalyani also 75-80%, but in UIT in 2020 89%. That's like a Jadavpur University. Jadavpur University also 90%. Okay, 85 to 90%. So you can see the placement is really very good. So if you want placement, then you can choose this particular institute. And if you do not afford such kind of money, okay, 2,64,000 money, then you can choose another institute. Okay, if you do not pay this kind of money, then you can choose another institute. I mean, if you want placement, then you can definitely choose this institute. This institute very good for your placement. Now you can see highest package 19 LPA. Okay, this in 2020 highest package 19 LPA means not bad, good kind of package. 19 LPA means good kind of package. Placement, if you want placement, if you want a good package, then you can definitely choose this particular institute. Okay, the fee structure is little bit high, but this is not the matter because this is a university. As like as MACAUT is also a university. Okay, so I hope you understood these things. I hope you also became helpful. I hope you also became helpful by this video. If you became helpful by this video, then don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe this channel, because in this channel you will get lot of scientific videos, lot of videos regarding WBJEE and JEE also. So please subscribe this channel. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you everybody. Stay happy, stay safe. take care. Okay, and best of luck for your college journey. Okay, so thank you. Bye bye.